Are you cooking?
Yes.
Yeah? What are you cooking?
Daddy.
You're cooking for Daddy? Oh, what are you making? Oh, looks like you're making French fries. Oh, are you going to put something in the microwave? Show me how the microwave works. Oh, oh, it's ready? Wow. Then what do? You press the buttons again on the microwave? Press the buttons. Oh. Okay. It's ready. I'm going to put it aside. Are you going to make something for Daddy? What are you making for Daddy? Oh. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to put it on the plate? Where is there a plate? Up there?
Yeah.
Okay, take a plate. Whoa, they all come crashing down. That's okay, we'll put it back later. You put the food on the plate for Daddy? Yeah? Are you going to put that in the microwave? Oh, I don't know if it'll fit. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's for Daddy?
Yeah.
You put it on the plate and give it to him. Alright. Go give it to him. Tell him, Daddy, here's your food.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, you made that for me, French fries?
Yeah.
Ooh, you gonna make something else?
Yeah.
Okay, go. You got some utensils? Oh, for Daddy?
Yep.
Hello. Cheese. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? You cooking? Say, I'm cooking. Say, Ellie's busy cooking. Alright, say bye.
Bye.